So these guys are paying 20 cents for every free member that you refer to this website, and they are allowing you to do this over and over again for unlimited times. So 20 cents may not seem like a lot of money, but if you add it up over and over again every, let's say, 20 seconds, 30 seconds or 60 seconds, and you can get a referral every couple of seconds, it starts to add up, and you can eventually start to see, like this was a payment that I received on the screen from IDPLR, which is this website, which paid me a total of $86.20 just in referral commissions for referring people to the free account. They are paying you 20 cents to refer people to the free account. So your clients or your referrals don't have to spend any money, which makes this super easy to go and promote and get a lot of little 20-cent sales over and over again. And don't get me wrong, this is not something that's going to make you millions and millions and super rich, but it's a great way, if you really work at this like I'm going to teach you in this video, to get an extra 20, 30, 40, even if you want to, $100 plus per day without spending a single cent or taking any money out of your pocket. You can sit in front of your PC anywhere in the world and do this. You don't need any physical products. We're not selling anything. We're not spamming affiliate links everywhere. This is a real business model that works, except instead of 1 or 2 big sales, we're now just going to focus on getting hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of little 20-cent sales that actually add up to still a decent amount of money. Alright guys, so we're now inside of my PC, and just take a look at this. This is actually crazy easy money here sitting online. Make money by giving away our free membership access. So what this website does is, instead of running Facebook ads or running social media ads to go and promote their website or all their PLR products, they actually are allowing you to make money. They are investing into their business by paying you to go and promote their product for them, just their free membership area, and they're going to pay you 20 cents over and over for each and every free member that you refer. So the homepage of this website is called idplr.com, where there's over 12,590 different PLR products. And you know what the best part is? They also have a paid membership where you pay $89, and let's say any one of your free membership referrals pay for the paid plan later on, you're actually going to get an extra $40 for that, which is 50% commission, which is really, really good commissions, and you're still earning your 20 cents on their first referral. So this platform is really a great affiliate platform, as you can actually get paid to give away over 12,590 different products, courses, over and over again, which makes this super easy to promote. I mean, who doesn't want free stuff? People love free stuff, and now you're actually getting paid to give away free stuff. And also on top of this, you can actually go and use any of these IDPLR products if you decide to sign up on this website yourself. Resell, you can see here, if I actually come down here, over 6,000 ebooks, 1,700 video courses, 1,330 programs, graphic packs, templates, audio packs, websites, done for you sites, and PLR articles. You can go and claim any of these as your own. You are licensed to do that, and you can resell that and keep 100% profits straight to your accounts, whether you're getting paid through PayPal or any payment method that's accepted in your country. You can get paid. This is the largest PLR membership website since 2008, currently 76,000 members and growing, which actually is not that much if you think about it. If you think about how many people in this world, 76,000 is not that much. So this is actually really undersaturated. This is a great time to promote this affiliate program. And the tools and the courses and all the software on this website is updated on a daily basis. So it's always up to date. It's top quality. It's not these 2 little page ebooks that literally give no information. It is full on ebooks, full on courses that teaches you very high income skills and information. And also one more thing quickly before we get straight into this, you need to understand what PLR means and why people would just give away their ebooks, their valuable courses, their articles, all the different digital products on here, and let you keep 100% of the profits. It kind of may not make sense to you, but how it actually works is, why they are doing this is because in their different products, their ebooks, their articles, their courses, they are actually promoting their own brand. They might have an affiliate offer within that course. They might have a product that they're trying to sell, or just want to generally improve their brand, whether it's their brand name, their business name, throughout their course, or promote their website. At the same time, they then giving away their free information to you to go and sell, which encourages you to go and promote that, which grows their brand at the same time, but at the same time you making money online for that. So it's kind of like a win-win, and that's why I really think this is a great system and a great affiliate program to go and promote. And this is going to lead us to step number 2. All you're going to do is click on this button that says register for free. Over here you're going to choose free member. You don't need to sign up as a gold member. Don't worry, the gold member costs a total of $89. you just need to do the free membership website. So you're going to click here to register for free. It's going to come up with this page, your email address, confirm, and then you have to set up a password. And once that's done, it's going to take me to my IDPLR dashboard. From there, you want to click on this button over here, affiliates. You want to click over here, find out more about our affiliate program. I'm going to open this in a new tab, which is then going to open up this page over here. And from this page, this is where the magic happens. So I want you to scroll down a little bit. Over here, you can see that you're going to get paid 35% commissions for every gold membership that you refer to us. So that's a total of about $38 on an $89 sale, which is a solid commission. But this is where the magic happens. Over here, you need to enter your ClickBank name, your username, in order to get paid this 20 cents over and over again. But don't worry, if you don't have ClickBank, what you do is you just scroll down and you can click over here, create a support ticket, and you basically going to message them, hey, I don't have a ClickBank account, can I please get my affiliate link? They will reply to you in your own customized affiliate link where you can get your 20 cents over and over again. But since I do have a ClickBank account, I'm going to enter my username, I'm going to click on create, and over here, you can actually download your own custom landing page, or here's your affiliate link here. So this is your affiliate link, and this is the magic link that when people click on this and even sign up for the free plan, you're going to get 20 cents over and over again. So you'll see if I actually go to this website, it's going to take me to IDPLR's landing page through my affiliate link. And there we go, you can see. And now as soon as somebody clicks on register for free and signs up on the free plan, I'm going to get a total of 20 cents for literally just signing up a free member. And from here, we need to move on to the next step, which is step number 3. So if I again come back to my affiliate page over here, I copy this link. We want to right click, copy. We want to come to a website called bit.ly. Just to shorten our URL to not make it seem as long and to neaten it up. So let's click on shorten. Here you can see is a shorter link. I can click on copy. And secondly, we can actually track the amount of clicks that we get on our landing page to actually see how many people that have clicked on a link actually sign up, and we can track our conversion rate from there. So it's just interesting seeing those kind of analytics as well as an affiliate marketer. And the next step from here, which is step number 4, we're actually going to come over to this website here, traffup.net. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can go and get a Twitter post viral, completely blowing up, and people literally clicking on your link every 20 seconds or 10 seconds or so. So what you're going to do is you're going to log in or sign up with your account. I'm just going to log in with my email and password, as I already have an account on this website. And from here, we're going to come click on the Twitter section over here, and we want to go refresh page, and we want to click on add tweet over here on this button here. Click on add tweet, and over here you got to enter the URL of your existing tweet. So the next step, which is step number 5, come over to twitter.com. Let's click on this. We're then going to come over here. We just need to sign in again with our username and password. Here we can click, hey guys, IDPLR is giving away over 12,500 free ebooks, courses, video courses, landing page templates, and all the ultimate tools to gain high income skills and make money online consistently. Let me know what you think of this website, and then you're going to paste your link, and then all you're going to do is you're going to click on tweet, click on show tweet over here, click on your tweet, and over here you can see there is a link to your tweet. You want to copy this, come back to TrafUp, paste this over here. You want to put the points per retweet to 50, points per like, keep it at 50, make sure there's no limit, select a category. You want to select, I would say, business, and let's click on submit details. Now what's going to happen is you actually need to go over here to retweets, and you need to go and retweet other people's tweets so you can stack up points. And the more points that you get, a whole bunch of people on this website is going to retweet your tweet over and over again, so you could reach an audience of like 10 different Twitter accounts that have 1,000 followers each, and they all retweeting your tweet, and it's making it go viral. It's a great way to really get your affiliate link out there fast, but you have to make sure that you keep stacking up points on TrafUp, because every time somebody retweets your tweet, they subtract points off your account. That's why you got to make sure you constantly have points. If you do want to shortcut the process and get your Twitter tweet going viral, you can spend $10 on 2,500 points, which will be a whole bunch of retweets every couple of seconds, because this website is getting a lot of traffic. And then over here, for example, if I click on retweet this guy, I can go retweet his post and my points will go up to 75. And you can go and do the same thing on Facebook. For example, reposting Facebook groups. Okay, I can see this is temporary down. Let's go choose Instagram. We can go follow and like other Instagram posts, repost that, post it on our stories. People are going to post your post on your story, making your link go viral all over the place. You can do the same on Pinterest, repost Pinterest posts, your page, 50 points. Every time someone reposts or shares your Pinterest post, they're going to take points off, but you got to then again make sure that you keep getting points. So you can use all these social media platforms to make your link go viral. Then what you can also do is, once you've made some funds using from this viral free strategy on TraffUp, you can actually go and use Shoutcart and pay influencers with hundreds of thousands of followers to do a swipe up feature to your link with a story that literally says the same as this tweet. Hey guys, IDPL is giving over 12,500 ebook courses. You can go, for example, to an education page over here, like entrepreneurship or education. You can see some people here with 15,000 followers, 1.9 million. You're going to pay anywhere between $30 and $100 a shout out, depending on how big the page is and how the engagement is. What I suggest is actually create an account on this website. I'm going to log in, and then you can actually go and see the price. So for example, a price for a shout out on a 110k follow page is $40. But what I also suggest is you're going to get a free few points with your account. I've already used them, and you can actually unlock these usernames. So you usually click on unlock. I have to buy more points. Or in fact, that actually worked. Then what you want to do is copy their username from Instagram. So let's go open this link in a new tab. You want to copy their username, and you actually want to come over to Instagram. This is super important in understanding if this page is really going to work. So I'm just going to continue with my account. You then want to come to the search bar of Instagram over here, paste their username, choose their profile over here, and here you want to make sure that the engagement is pretty good. So they currently have 60,000 followers. This post is getting 6k likes, 2k, 4k, 1k, 2k, 2k, 600, 2k, 2k. I would say the engagement is very good. I always like to judge if a page, for example, has 10,000 followers and they're getting anywhere between 100 and 200 likes, that page is doing good. That's what you call a 10% engagement rate, meaning 10% of the amount of followers is engaging with the posts, which is really good. And remember, stories usually get a lot more views and swipe ups than that of actual posts. So you can go and purchase a shout out on this. Let's say 30,000 people swipe up, or let's say 40,000 people actually see the story, and let's say 10,000 swipe up, 5,000 convert into free accounts. 5,000 times 0.20, that's basically $1,000. But let's even say 200 people out of these 20 cents, 200 people out of these 6k followers convert. That's a quick $40. So you've already made your money back on the shout out. Let's say 1,000 people convert times 0.20. That's a quick $200 just on the shout out made in profit from the IDPL affiliate program. So that is going to be my strategy on how to make 20 cents every couple of seconds or so, 10, 20, 30 seconds, depending on how hard you decide to promote that. With the viral strategies that I've showed you right now, it's really an easy way to make money online. Let me know if you're going to try this. Don't forget to comment down below for the giveaway, and also comment down below if you want to give this a try and keep me up to date with your progress. You're welcome to send me screenshots if you get results from this on Instagram, and I will promote that on my story. And also don't forget to subscribe to my main channel at Millionaire Mindset. I'll put like a screenshot on the screen, and I will leave a link in the description where I'm also posting videos like this on the daily, giving more and more value. I'm posting twice a day on both my channels, giving as much as value as possible while trying to run these businesses at the same time. So this is really what I enjoy doing. So on the screen above, I'm going to leave a link to my best playlist on how to make money online on my main channel, all about affiliate marketing, CPM marketing, and making money online with strategies like this. So you're welcome to go and check that out on the screen above. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video, and don't forget tomorrow's giveaway as well.